how to receive USDT on Tonkeeper wallet. Now, in order to receive it, you need to first of all open your Tonkeeper wallet, and here on the home page, tap on the receive option. This is basically your QR code and the deposit address which you need to copy from here. Then you need to go back to that particular exchange or that particular wallet from which you want to send your USDT into your Tonkeeper wallet. For the sake of this video, I have selected Bitget wallet, so you just have to simply launch your Bitget wallet or exchange. Then you need to tap on the assets tab in the bottom right hand corner and select withdraw in spot. After that, use the search bar and you need to search for USDT. Then select the on-chain withdrawal option. Now once you are over here in the withdrawal network, it will by default select BEP20, but you need to make sure that you select Toncoin because you want to receive USDT in your Tonkeeper wallet, and the Tonkeeper wallet supports the Ton network. After that, you need to paste the address that you have just copied from your Tonkeeper wallet in the withdrawal address option. After that, in this section, you just have to simply skip it because for Tonkeeper you don't need to actually have the address tag. Then enter the amount that you want to withdraw and tap on the withdraw option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, you just have to confirm your transaction, and after the successful completion of your transaction, you will receive your USDT in your Tonkeeper wallet. If this video helped you out, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.